Okay, this is my video on how I've basically oiled the it's called the 401 rivet. It's the type of rivet they use on the Titanic. It's an exact size and reproduction. But what I've done, I've used heat. I've got to darken it down, so I've heated it up with a blow lamp to around 600 degrees. Quick dunk in the oil, because I don't want to I don't want to harden it. I want to burn the oil off to darken the rivet. So I've done that a few times now. I'm going to probably heat it up to maybe 800 degrees now, and I will quench it until it's cold now. That will harden the rivet, but the end result should be good. It's a 401 rivet. I've just got to light the torch, and we'll see how that goes. Into the rivet. I'll try and get to about 800 degrees centigrade. And that's not enough. We'll dunk it in the oil. I've been dipping it in, but only very quickly, not to cool it. Just to sway it down a little bit in the oil. This last one will harden it. It will quite harden it. But I need to get it quite warm on this one. Maybe, yeah, I don't know. This torch can get up to about just short of 2000 degrees centigrade. I'm going to get it really warm, and this will be the final dunk, and hopefully it'll make it a nice dark colour, and it'll be protected by the oil. This will be the second video. The first one will be all about the 401 rivet. The 401 rivet is an inch wide rivet. It was used on the Titanic to hold the whole plate together. It actually had over 3 million rivets in it. Just the rivets alone, they weigh about a pound. 1 pound in weight, which is about 0.4 of a kilogram. It had 1,500 tons worth of rivets just to hold the whole plate onto the frames. So this is an accurate reproduction of the rivet. The size is absolutely identical to what it was. All the specifications from the bits it brought up from the wreckage, even the material it was made with. I'll put that in the first video, but I'm going to try and warm this up now. It's had a few coatings where it's not been massively hot, where I've heated up to about 600 degrees, and then just a quick dunk in the oil, and then I've let it air cool. But this one I'm going to get it up to temperature, probably maybe 800 degrees centigrade, and then I'm going to quench it. It will harden the rivet, it will be rock hard. But yeah, we use rivets in the aircraft engine. It's not quite as big as this, but it'll help preserve the rivet, and it's a nice, interesting piece. I mean, the wire I'm hanging it off there, that's stainless steel. You can see how quick that's heating up. And below it, it's engine oil. It's just dirty old engine oil. But it will, this last one will be a quenching. It will harden the rivet up. It's probably not hardening up that much because I don't think there's a massive carbon content. It's mainly iron, a little bit of carbon, a little bit of phosphorus, and some other stuff. So we'll warm it up as much as we can. You don't have to get it too hot. But it will be enough to give it a nice coating, make it a nice black colour, and hopefully it will stop it. It will stop it from corroding. Well, this will be my second video. The first one will be about where I got this rivet from and where the specifications come from. I'm going to get a nice bit of decent heat in it now with blowtorch. It's not a little bad blowtorch this. It can get up to about 1900 degree, or almost 2000 degree. But you'll see when I drop it in the oil, it will boil the oil. But yeah, it'll be pretty good. It'll be nice, and this should hopefully be the last heating to do with this. Because I spent a little bit of time on it. I don't want to spend too much time on it. I have too much to do. But this should be getting quite warm now. It should be getting pretty warm. I'm going to quench it, and what I've got there is just old dirty engine sump oil I got from the garage where I get my Jaguar service, and he was happy to give it me because it cost him money to get rid of the oil. So yeah, give it a bit warm. You can see, oh there we go, the wire's gone out. So we're going to dunk it now. We're going to dunk it in the oil, and we're going to leave it there. It will boil a little bit because there's some temperature in there, so I'm just going to quench it. There you see, that's boiling away in the oil there. So this is yeah, that's the last quench. All I've been doing is I've been dipping it. I've been heating it up and just giving it a quick dip and letting it air cool. This time I'm quenching it in the oil. So yeah, it was boiling away in the oil. So it'll cool down in there now. Yeah, and that's that will be as hard as houses. That will. But that was yeah, my little video. I hope it's recorded. I'll leave it in there a bit longer. I'll just hold this up a bit longer. It's pretty much boiled that pan of oil. So I'll let it drip down there. It should be a nice colour and quite pretty good. There should be quite pretty good coating on that. So I'll come back to you when I've dried it out. Thanks very much.